Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get a temporary email address. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To get a temporary email address using temp mail on a Windows PC, just follow these steps. First, launch any web browser on your PC. Then go to the temp mail website by entering the URL link in the description below. On the temp mail homepage, you will see a randomly generated email address. Copy this email address by clicking on the copy button or manually highlighting the email address and pressing Ctrl plus C. Paste this temporary email address, Ctrl V, wherever you need to use it for sign-ups, verifications, or any other purpose. Now, temp mail will automatically update with incoming emails. You can see any received emails listed on the same page. Click on the email subject to open and read the email. Now, if you don't see an expected email, you can click the refresh button to check for new messages. By following these steps, you can easily generate and use a temporary email address using temp mail on your Windows PC. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.